This 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bay 38BB is a Super CRV. It is located in Montgomery, Alabama, 36116 and is offered for sale by Motorhome Specialist Alabama. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features a vapor and linen interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bay 38BB is built on a Freightliner S2RV chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.